Namaskaram. Today I am going to paint sunflower with using two types of strokes. One is the inside to outside, another one is the outside to inside. So if you want, you can start with me. Here I am using inside to outside strokes. So colors I am using here lemon yellow and burnt sienna combination. We have to give like this light variation to every petal. Avoid to use symmetrical petals, so every petal have a different shape and different angle also. If you do symmetrical, it looks like artificial. After dry, you have to give some depth like this. Now I am using outside to inside stroke.